Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation covers the diagnostic troubleshoot DTC B1220, specifically indicating a short in the recirculation control motor circuit for the 2023 and newer Honda Accord models. This issue occurs in a system responsible for managing air circulation within the vehicle's HVAC system, essential for maintaining cabin comfort by controlling the quality of air. The recirculation control motor is part of the climate control unit and plays a critical role in determining whether outside air is brought into the vehicle or if the air inside is recirculated. When this component fails or experiences an abnormality, it triggers the B1220 code, warranting further investigation to identify the root cause. Effective troubleshooting can not only resolve the current issue, but also prevent future occurrences. DTC B1220 refers to a detected short circuit in the recirculation control motor circuit. The primary components involved include the recirculation control motor, the climate control unit, and associated wiring harnesses. The recirculation control motor is responsible for adjusting the flaps in the ventilation system, allowing for optimal air circulation within the vehicle. It is typically located within the dashboard area, integrated with the climate control unit. On the other hand, the climate control unit operates the various HVAC functions, including temperature and airflow, and is also located within the dashboard. When inputs from the recirculation control motor fall below specified voltage levels, it causes the climate control unit to trigger the B1220 code, marking a significant issue in the air management system. Several factors can lead to the emergence of DTC B1220. The first is a short circuit within the wiring harness connected to the recirculation control motor, which can disrupt the electrical flow necessary for operation. Another potential cause is a faulty recirculation control motor itself, which may fail to perform its intended function due to internal component wear or damage. Additionally, the climate control unit may also be at fault if it does not properly recognize inputs from the motor, or conversely, fails to send the appropriate commands to the motor. When diagnosing this error, it's crucial to check each of these components thoroughly to identify where the problem lies. The symptoms accompanying DTC B1220 typically manifest as airflow inconsistencies within the vehicle's cabin. Drivers may notice that the climate control system is not effectively regulating temperature or air quality, potentially leading to discomfort. Additionally, the warning indicator related to the HVAC system may be illuminated on the dashboard, alerting the driver of a system malfunction. It's important to pay attention to these symptoms, as they can significantly affect driving experience, especially on long journeys or in extreme weather conditions. Diagnosing the underlying cause promptly can prevent further issues and ensure optimal performance of the vehicle's HVAC system. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1220 involves turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position. This initialization is essential as it activates the climate control system, allowing for proper voltage checks. Once in the on mode, the technician should check the voltage coming from the recirculation control motor. A normal reading should indicate approximately 5 volts. Simultaneously, it's crucial to ensure that all associated connectors are intact and securely attached. Inspections at this stage can quickly pinpoint issues with power supply, saving time and resources in the repair process. For the second step, the focus shifts to inspecting the S5V and RFDP circuits connected to the recirculation control motor. The technician should disconnect both the recirculation control motor connector and the climate control unit connector to isolate the circuits. Using a resistance meter, check for open circuits in the S5V circuit. ensuring that the resistance is less than 1 ohm under nominal conditions. Additionally, inspect the circuit for potential shorting to ground. Lastly, conduct a resistance test on the RFDP circuit to ensure it has more than 1 megaohm, indicating it's functioning properly. These checks are critical in determining if the problem lies within the wiring rather than the components themselves. The third troubleshooting step involves a thorough inspection of the climate control unit itself. Prior to this inspection, ensure the recirculation control motor connector remains disconnected. This step allows for a direct assessment of the climate control unit's internal circuit. When the ignition is in the on position, the technician must check the output voltage, which should also be around 5 volts under normal operational conditions. If the climate control unit fails to produce this reading, it suggests a malfunction within the unit itself. Additionally, ensure all connections are secure to prevent any misreads or interruptions in circuit integrity. This step is essential to isolate whether the issue resides within the control unit versus the associated components. After concluding the troubleshooting steps, it's crucial to perform a final verification to ensure all repairs have been successful. This process begins by utilizing the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to clear the DTC from the vehicle's memory. Following this, technicians should confirm that the recirculation control motor operates as intended by conducting a function test of the HVAC system. Lastly, a road test should be completed to ensure the system performs adequately under various driving conditions. This comprehensive final check not only verifies the repairs, but also enhances driver confidence that the system is functioning correctly. Preventive maintenance is crucial in avoiding issues like DTC B1220 from arising in the future. Routine inspections of the HVAC system can help detect problems early before they escalate. It is recommended to frequently monitor the functions of the climate control system to ensure smooth operation. Checking wiring connections and harnesses for wear or damage can also be beneficial, especially in vehicles frequently exposed to harsh weather conditions. Proactive maintenance not only extends the life of these components, but also ensures a consistently comfortable cabin environment, enhancing overall driving satisfaction. In summary, understanding the root causes and symptoms associated with DTC B1220 is essential for efficient troubleshooting on the 2023 Plus Honda Accord model. Identifying and checking the roles of the recirculation control motor, climate control unit, and associated wiring are crucial initial steps towards diagnosis. The outlined troubleshooting methods provide a structured approach to pinpointing the issue accurately. Moreover, implementing preventive maintenance can assist in mitigating the risks of similar problems in the future. Overall, ensuring the HVAC system operates optimally contributes to enhanced driving comfort and vehicle longevity. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!